Hey YouTube, this is MF Goober here. So yeah, we were opening these packs and the phone was being a piece of shit. So yeah, I had to open them again, so that's what we're doing now. Because my phone shut off. Dang you phone. Quit being a piece of... Okay, whatever. Anyway, so let's open these packs right here and see what we get. So, I had to open 5 packs. And he opened 5, and he only opened 2 because my phone shut off and it died.
Yeah.
Trash over here. So, yep. So, and now I know all the story.
Yeah. Okay, so we got Heraldry, we got Abyss, Scale, Amaryllis, or whatever, something. Fire Formation, Flame Vixen, Pyrotech Mech, Mermail, Heraldic Beast, and Big Cattle Drive. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so no hauling yet.
And then we have a Dimension Gate, and a Spell Wall, and March of the Monarchs, and a Heraldic Beast, and a Hazy Flame, and Brotherhood of Firefist Synchro, and ZW, and Goblin Circus, and another Hazy Flame. Ooh, fancy.
Ba-ba-ba-bum.
Okay, now we're going to pick up where we left off. I'm going to open the 3rd pack now.
Yep. Pack opening number 3. Number 3. 3 fingers. 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, anyway, it's another Amaryllis thing, and Dixie's Remora.
Yep.
Spear Shark, Firefist Hawk, and a CW Tornado thingy, and another CW thingy, and a Goblin Circus, and another Hazy Flame, and Dixie's Dimension Splash thing. Wow.
Laser packs. Weird stuff in here.
Okay, and we got Ixie's Double Back, and we got another Dimension Gate, and we got a Biscorn, and a Garbage Ogre. Yeah, that's garbage, alright. I'm just kidding. And a Heraldic Beast, and Bum Tiger.
Yes. See, hey, the name Montana has actually look for this. Is it Ultra? Ulti.
It's Ultra.
Oh man, I want Ulti ones. Yeah, it's a train.
Ultra Tiger King, and Spike Shield, and Bacon Saver, Piggy,
What?
and Mermail.
Yeah, but also, I was kind of too about Firefist stuff. I didn't know who to pick from. There's two people that actually want the card.
And destroy this last pack.
I guess it's a fight. Oh, it's trash. So the girl goes bye. Bye, trash.
And Dimension Gate, and another Spell Wall, and March of the Monarchs again. Heraldic Beast.
Holy shit.
Slacker Magician. And no, just a rare.
Double Shark.
Double Shark.
See this?
After the Storm. Pyrotech Mech. And Jurak Impact.
1 shark. Wow. Oh, yeah, it's not a shark sound. And the second shark.
Wow.
It's 2 sharks and 1. That's why that's called double shark.
Yeah. Anyways. Okay, so that's it for my packs.
You want to take out the hollow so we can do a recap afterwards?
Oh, sure, I guess.
Just taking out the hollows. That's how don't use all at once. This one. I don't know which one.
My God, you are so fucking picky.
I'm not picky. What's wrong with that?
Oh, let's take out the hollows. We can do a recap later.
Well, people might want to know what they are.
People are watching the video right now, so I'm pretty sure they know what's in here.
I'm pretty sure 60% of the people will say, I'm going to switch to the end because I'm lame. So, if you want to hold this, I know it's weird because there's chargers on it, but there's that's fine if you want to. I'm going to do it. I can do it that way. Woo! Yeah, it's weird, so I just have to do it that way. There's nothing weird about it. Just have to deal with it. Okay. If you can figure out a way to do it, okay. Ready?
Like I care. Let's just do this.
Let's do this shit.
Do this.
So, trash. You missed the trash. Trash. That's trash. trash going in the trash can. I'm throwing it, and it's gonna, yeah, it goes right in the trash can. That's awesome. Okay, last pack opening, and let's open it carefully if it can open it. Okay, here we go. Got it. There we go, guys. I got it. Okay, that's it. We got 5 packs. Let's start opening. That's 4th pack here. I mean, 6th pack here. Abyss Scorn. Garbage org. It's garbage. Emilius. XZ more. Whatever that is. No one Knight, Joan. And just a rare. Goblin Circus. Hazy Flame. Woo. And XZ Dimension Splash. And Hodic Beast Basilisk. Sounds like Harry Potter. Yep, yeah. Next pack. And we get a garbage org. Emilius. Is this the same pack? Everything the same in here already. XYZ Steel Shock, that's new. Oh, we got a Blackwing Gladius. And got a Hollow Lightning Shidori. What? Ultra rare. We got a Tensu. Got a Hazy Goi. We got a Double Shock. So we got the second hollow there. I mean, we got one hollow over here. Next pack. Here we got a Dimension Gate. Got a Spell Wall. Got a Mark of the Monarchs. And every card here is going to be a spell. Nope, no it's not. Hodic Beast Alien. And we got a rare Crimson Blader. And we got just a rare. After this, Comment of the Storm. Rare Shiui. Jurassic Park. Bot. So, just a random pack again. That is lame. So, next pack should be better. And here it is. Get out. That's what she said.
Wow. Anyways, moving on.
Hardly change. Abyss Scale of the Cetus. Amelius. Firefish Tenkin. That was good for fire stuff. And a rare Brotherhood of Firefish Spirit. But this is a sign that a firefish will be behind this. Oh no, just a Jurassic Park. And here's your pillow. Brotherhood of Firefish Spirit. You see, there's the truth. The Firefish card was behind that other card. See, not exactly, but it is. So, I didn't lie. After the storm. Last pack, guys. Let's hope for the best. Shoot for the stars. Sounds like school. Come on, kids, let's shoot for the stars. Yeah, let's see, we got a XYZ Tribulisivius.
Tribal Rivals.
Oh, it's different. Upside down now.
Tribulisivius. Tribal Rivals.
Yeah, Firefish and Tenki. We got flaming on over here. Got a Fusion Ignition Beast Volcanon.
Canonin? Really? Did you just call it Ignition Beast Volcanonin?
Volcanonin. Yeah, whatever it is.
Canonin.
Just like do-do-do.
Do-do-do and ga-ga-ga and go-go-go and whatnot.
Yep. Yeah.
Anyways, moving on.
DW Tornado Bringer. And you got a common Equally Dimension Splash. You got a Heraldic Beast Basilisk. Like Harry Potter. Oh, you got a Crimson Sunburn for
Sunbun?
Sunburn. The big cattle arrived on the drive. So, yeah, that's that. Let's do the recap now. So, let's see. We got a Fire Fist Horse Prince. Yep, yeah. That's a pretty good card. 22 attack, 22 defense. We got Audra, Extra monster, the Lightning Shidori. Good for anything that's a ruined monster, like let's say
You can't think of anything wind.
Hobbies. They're gonna be good next set, so take it up now because it's gonna go up to like $40 each. So there you go. Pick it up. What I do is do it. And we got also an Ultra Rare Fire Fist Tiger King. It's probably the best pull here. Yeah, pretty cool stuff here. So if you like the game, just PM me, and I'll PM you back with trades. And thanks guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. See ya, mate.